I can save you with this ice cube. What? No, not an ice cube. I don't like that, Amy. I want to stick with Joyce forever. The ice cube will harden the gum so we can take it out. No. Oh, Amy, it's so cold. Oh, don't do that. See, Joyce, it's super easy to take it out. Wow, it seems like I thank you, Amy. Yeah, let's go buy some drinks. Okay. No, Joyce, don't leave me. Come back. I love you. Are you ready for the spicy food challenge, Ivy? Yeah, I'm always ready. But before we start, we have to upgrade our food with super hot sauce. All right. Okay, it's ready. All right, 3, 2, 1, go. It's hot. It's hot. I need milk. Or if you drink milk, you'll lose.
Huh? Why is there fire everywhere? Don't worry, Ivy, I'll save the day. Here's your milk. All right, let milk save the day.
Oh, thank you, milk. I feel so much better. Oh, it's so hot. Give me milk. I told you.
You too, Amy? Fine, I'll save you too.
I feel better now. And by the way, I win this challenge. What? No, you did not. You drank the milk too. But you drank it first? No. Let's try this again. 3, 2, 1, go.
People.
Finally, I took a rock candy from Mia.
Amy, you stealing candy from Mia? Oh, that's not a good idea.
Now it's eating time.
You want to steal Mia's candy, Amy? Then I'm going to destroy your teeth.
Oh, my teeth! What's going on? Huh? My teeth hurt so much. I hate this candy. What candy? You stole my candy? Oops, sorry. What? Amy, how could you do that? These are for our party tonight. I'm sorry.
See, Amy? That's why you shouldn't steal.
Hey, Mia. Hi, Joyce. Do you have anything to eat?
Oh yeah, I have apples, I have eggs, and I have lemons. Does any of that sound okay?
What about sandwiches or chicken? I don't feel like eating fruit right now.
Sorry Joyce, that's all I have.
Can I have some eggs then?
Sure. Here you go, Joyce.
Thank you. I'll make it now. Warmer. I need it warmer.
I think it needs to be hotter. Let me turn it up.
More comfortable. I like it so much more, Joyce. Thank you. Now it's eating time. Oh no, my layer, Joyce.
Thank you so much, Mia. It was delicious. Of course. Would you like some more?
Oh yes. Do you want one too?
Sure.
Okay, let me make 2.
Yup, I'm eggs and I'm super healthy. Amy, what's wrong? Why are you crying?
What? I'm not crying. I'm cutting onions.
Keep crying, Amy. Keep crying.
Onion? I have a trick for that. All you need is a bowl of water. All you need to do is peel the onion under the water.
Ivy, stop. No. Stop peeling. No.
Now that it's peeled, you can cut it.
Wow, you're a genius. I'm not crying anymore.
No problem. You want me to help you peel some more?
Oh, yes, please.
You got it.
I don't like you, Ivy.
All right, students, we're learning about trial binomial factors, so turn your page to 85.
Joyce. Huh? What's wrong, Mia? I'm hungry. Do you have anything to eat? Me too, but don't worry. I have snacks.
Joyce, Mia, eating in class? That's not a good idea.
Professor's really strict. Oh, let's open it.
Joyce, stop doing that. Professor.
Huh? What's that sound? Who's eating in my class? Nobody's eating, Professor.
What are you holding? Give it to me.
Aww. Here you go, Professor.
That's what you get for sneaking snacks into class.
Now focus on your work. I'm throwing these away.
Sorry, Professor.
Throw me away! No, wait, Professor, don't do that! Oh no, Professor, why did you do that to me?
Hi everyone! If you guys like our video, leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell button.
Give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye!